Hello everyone, it is a pleasure having you back at the Police Documented channel. The link to the Police Pursuits channel is in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day. On Tuesday, June 6, 2023, at 10:51 p.m., I was at the Arkansas State Police Troop H in my office when I heard Mulberry Police Department was in pursuit of a white pickup truck.
They did get a good spot. Okay. I'll call up now. We're 1037. We're westbound past the 3 right now. 84 is in front of me. I think it's a PD unit in front of him. That PD unit, the right, let us around him. We can get the guy out. Westbound, speed to 115. Back to 2, speed 110, 84, bleeding right now. You can try to get it fitted out. A lot of traffic. Coming up on the 1, speed 105, line traffic. That's the 1, speed 108, 84 is going for a bit. Speed 115, we're crossing in Oklahoma right now. TVI. He does we're coming up the way station right now. Speed 105, we're in the right lane, no traffic.
The suspect passed multiple civilian vehicles at those reckless speeds, creating a danger to the public. I began positioning for a tactical vehicle intervention to stop the suspect.
State police, get your hands up! Hands up!
State has taken primary. State has taken primary. We have notified Oklahoma.
Get your hands up! Quit digging! I'll shoot you! I will fucking shoot you! Get your fucking hands up! Get out of the truck! Right up. Oh, you're gonna get out, I promise you. Get out of this truck! Get out of the truck right now! Get out! You want a door? I'll give you one. Get out of this hole right now. Get out of this truck. I'll shoot you for digging. Get your hands up. Dude, I will shoot you. It's all over you, motherfucker. You better get out. I'm fixing to shoot you. Get out of the truck. Quit digging. Get out of the truck. Get out of this truck right now. No, you're not. Keep guns. Get out of that truck. I got you. You come out with anything. I don't have anything. Hold on, wait. I ain't waiting on nothing. Get out of the truck. I ain't waiting. Get out of the truck. No, you're not. Quit pulling.
12.
I ain't waiting on nothing.
I'm out with him.
Get out of the truck.
Where are you going?
Get out of the truck. Get out now. Okay. I'm coming. You're not. Get out of the truck. All right. Right now. I'm not resisting. Get out of the truck. I'm not resisting. You're resisting 15 fucking miles, idiot. I'm not resisting. Get your hands behind your back. Okay. Now. All right. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Yeah, you are. No. Keep guns on the truck. Got me. You're right, I got you. The last 15 miles you could have pulled over your fucking head. Okay. All right, man.
Now 113, dispatch, 13, you're back in the city, back on our channel.
Ten 15.
10-4, 10-15.
Get up. Quit on.
He's just military, so he's not with me or anything. He's been taken to the CD. It really about 5 years. I told him we really appreciated that, so you might be able to meet him down there. 10-4, I'll send our team to the PD and see what spots he's got.
What's this, dope? No. Why are you running? First of all, you know you have the right to remain silent. Look at me. Anything you say can't be used in court of law. You have the right to have attorney present for questioning.
I believe yours in 64.
Be appointed no additional charge. You understand your
I picked mine up there in my car.
What are you running for?
10-4, I'll run down the Mountain Road on 64. It's either...
For page 29 on unit 1050.
I'll move that truck. Get out of the truck. All right. Don't fall.
First is on unit 1050.
Hey, you got anybody else in the truck that's with you? Okay. Don't be crying over some stickers.
1015. Safety's out in both sides. I don't see you down here, so you should have a EMS coming.
Hey, man. Hey, look at me. You really did take a bad crash. You sure you're okay?
I'm not sure.
Sit down right here, okay? Hey, it's over with, okay?
All right. Why, dude?
Sit down. No, you can sit down right here like I told you to.
All right, man.
Listen.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. When I tell you to sit down, that's what it means. It don't mean to ask questions. I don't know who you ran from before, but you ain't gonna do it in Arkansas.
The suspect will be charged in Arkansas by Mulberry Police with felony fleeing, reckless driving, theft by receiving a vehicle, and theft by receiving a pistol. Both the truck and handgun were reported stolen out of Perry County in Arkansas earlier that day. Oklahoma Highway Patrol Trooper Spencer Schmill filed the same charges on the suspect in Oklahoma.